Puffins. Atlantic puffins live on both sides of the North Atlantic Ocean, with 60% living along the coast of Iceland during the breeding season. They're the smallest of the puffins and the most modest in appearance, even when dressed up. Their beak, bright orange at the tip, has a blue-gray section surrounded by a line of yellow. Orange legs and a white face, chest, and belly stand out prominently against their black back and upper wing feathers. Horned puffins inhabit the waters of North Pacific Ocean, mainly south of the Arctic Circle. During their breeding season, they look similar to Atlantic puffins at first glance, with their white face and underside. However, a telltale feature is a spike of black eyelashes over each eye, giving the impression that horned puffins are wearing exotic makeup. They also have a black line extending from behind each eye to the back of their head. Another identifying characteristic is the yellow area at the base of their beak, in contrast to the blue-gray of Atlantic puffins. Tuft puffins have the largest geographical range of the puffin species. They live on both sides of the North Pacific Ocean and as far north as Alaska, and as far south as Japan and Central California. Unlike Atlantic horned puffins, tuft puffins have a black chest and belly. In winter, they're black with large red-orange beaks, but in the summer breeding season introduces striking changes. They develop a white facial mask, an olive yellow beak section, and long feathery golden plumes above their eyes. Orange feet and eye rings complete their summer look. Rhinoceros auklets are a lesser-known species of puffin. Their beak and plumage look dramatically different from the three other types of puffins. For this reason, they are sometimes classified as close cousins instead of actual puffin species. Rhinos live along the Pacific coast of North America, as well as the coast of Asia near Japan. During the breeding season, their thin yellow-orange bill has a short vertical horn at the base of the upper portion, hence their name. Rhino plumage is mainly brown, dark on the back, and paler on the chest and belly. Two narrow stripes of white feathers adorn each side of their head.